This is your technical update from the LMAX Exchange Research and Analytics Desk for Friday, September 18th, 2015. Euro dollar. So the market has been very well bid over the past several sessions, with gains extending on Thursday, with the market now approaching some key medium-term range resistance in the 1467 area. At this point, the downtrend remains firmly intact, and the market will now need to establish above 115 to really take the pressure off the downside. So the market's into some key resistance now, and overall, the downside pressure does remain intact with a lower top sought out in favor of a bearish resumption back down towards initial support at 110.87 and 108.09 below. Again, only back above 115, a close back above 115 would compromise this outlook. Sterling dollar. So cable has made an impressive run over the past several days, with the market now surging through 155 and 156 ahead of the latest minor pullback. At this point, it's difficult to determine whether the market is going to put in a lower top up here ahead of a downside extension, or is looking for a continuation of gains up towards that 2015 peak at 159.30. Really, it needs to stand aside right now and look at some key levels over the coming sessions for clear directional insight. Right now, resistance comes in at 156.30, while support comes in by Thursday's low at 154.85. Dollar yen. So dollar yen is broken back down to the downside, though the market is still confined to a consolidation over the past several sessions. It looks like the market wants to put in a medium-term lower top at 121.74 ahead of a more significant downside extension back towards a retest of that 24th of August low at 116.12. Only back above 121.74 would compromise this bearish outlook. Euro Swiss. So not much going on in Euro Swiss over the past few sessions, although the market retains its constructive and recovery outlook with a focus on a fresh measured move upside extension towards the 112 area. At this point, setbacks should continue to be very well supported, with only a breakback below 107.14 to compromise this outlook. Aussie dollar. So Aussie put in a nice recovery over the past several sessions, though gains stalled out on Thursday, with the market trading up just shy of 73, stalling around 72.75. At this point, a lower top is sought out somewhere in the 73 area ahead of a bearish continuation back down towards the next multi-year low and measured move objective in the 68.30 area. Dollar CAD. So dollar CAD setbacks have continued to be very well supported, with the market looking for a fresh upside eventually back above the recent 11-year high at 33.54 and towards 135 further up. At this point, only a breakback below 128.60 would compromise this outlook. Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi remains confined to a well-defined downtrend, and any gains we've seen over the past several sessions have been very well capped ahead of 65. At this point, a lower top is sought out ahead of a bearish continuation back down towards and eventually below that 24th of August low at 61.30, which is also a multi-year low. Only back above 67.40 would negate the outlook. SPX 500. So the S&P 500 tried as hard as it could to establish back above 2,000 on Thursday, but the market was unable to put in a close above 2,000, sharply reversing from the 2020 area back below 2,000. At this point, a lower top is now sought out by that high from Thursday around 2020, and in favor of the next downside extension back down towards the 1800 area over the coming sessions. Really only a close back above that high that we saw on Thursday, which comes in, let's call it 2022, would compromise this outlook. Gold. So gold has managed to put in a significant and impressive recovery over the past few sessions, with the market remaining well supported on a close basis above 1100. Several days back, we talked about 1100 being significant support, and this is proving to be the case, with the market now looking for fresh upside back towards a retest of 1170, which will confirm a higher low around 1100 and open the door for a fresh upside extension towards 1233. At this point, only a close back below 1100 would put the pressure back on the downside for a retest and break of those recent multi-year lows in the 1073 area.